The DOGELON damages token arrived at half-year highs toward the beginning of November. However, the cost has since withdrawn to $0 around the 12th of December. The canine-themed memecoin has plunged over 70% starting from the beginning of the year, and 5% in the previous month, with digital currencies having stayed negative since the highs of last November. Is presently an opportunity to purchase or go short on the image-driven cryptographic money for the best future speculation returns. Peruse on to learn about the undertaking's experience, as well as the most recent DOGELON coin news and cost forecast. DOGELON defaces takes memecoin into DEFI. What is the DOGELON defaces coin? Like the other canine-themed memecoins, including Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Floki Inu, DOGELON defaces digital currency plays on the famous web image in light of the Shiba Inu canine. However, adds whimsical references to Elon Musk and cryptographic money costs mobilizing to the moon. DOGELON damages was made by a mysterious local area of engineers to run on the Ethereum and Polygon blockchain networks. ELON sent off in April 2021 on the Uniswap decentralized trade. On the 23rd of April 2021, ELON's engineers tweeted that the local area had consented to airdrop 734 million ELON tokens to each person who had lost cash on the WOGE token mat force. A mat draw is the point at which a digital currency undertaking's engineers advance their task and afterward pull out all liquidity, sending the cost to nothing. On the 16th of May, the local area gave an airdrop of more than 72.7 million tokens following the CUBACOI and mat draw. The DOGELON defaces project saw more than $100 in volume exchanged in somewhere around 24 hours on the 25th of April in the midst of the send-off of its most memorable DOGELON Mars comic non-fungible token on the OpenSea Commercial Center. With digital money markets mobilizing in May 2021, ELON arrived at 50,000 holders by the center of the month. DOGELON damages was sent off with a most extreme stock of 1 quadrillion coins, a big part of which the organizers locked to the Uniswap trade. The other half was shipped off Ethereum Prime supporter Vitalik Buterin. Similarly, that the makers of Dogecoin sent Doge to Buterin's digital currency wallet. Buterin accordingly consumed and gave his Doge property, saying he didn't need the force of holding a lot of other ventures coins. On the 25th of May 2021, Biomedical caused the Methuselah establishment said it had gotten 43% of the ELON supply in a gift from Buterin. The May 12th gift amazed the quickly developing DOGELON Mars people group, which had anticipated that Buterin should for all time hold his $ELON possessions, eliminating them from dissemination. The gift raised liquidity worries for the $ELON, undermining its worth. The establishment said in an explanation, on the grounds that our central goal to expand the sound human life expectancy requires a drawn-out view, Methuselah establishment centers around enduring accomplishments, not transient prizes. We will adopt the equivalent sustaining strategy with our DOGELON Mars property since we comprehend that the digital currency's worth relies upon keeping up with the public's certainty and catching its creative mind, similar as baseball cards or different collectibles. We believe the $ELON should continue to gather esteem over the long haul. On the 16th of August 2022, the Methuselah establishment reported that Everest Wellbe, which offers the Methuselah Wellbeing Convention, was currently tolerating Ether and DOGELON damages for installment. In October 2021, the ELON designers reported plans to enter the decentralized money and non-fungible token environments with the send-off of a ZELON token and an assortment of NFT characters. The ZELON coin sent off in November as an administration token with a DEFI procuring convention and marking impetus. Clients who stake their ELON or ELON WETH liquidity pool tokens get ZELON as a prize and can utilize it to decide on drives and other independent direction. The venture's most memorable DEFI association was with decentralized market creator Popsicle Money on the Ethereum organization. The ELON token doesn't have the utility degree of other digital forms of money, for example, Dogecoin, which is acknowledged by a developing number of vendors. Be that as it may, it has drawn in light of a legitimate concern for huge cryptographic money financial backers, known as whales. The main 100 whales hold a normal of 5.4 trillion ELON tokens, at a typical worth of $1.47 as per information arranged by Crypto following Help Whale Stats. On the 8th of September, a whale moved 4.99 trillion ELON tokens esteemed at $1.39 from the Gate.io trade to an Ethereum wallet. How did these improvements drive the ELON coin cost, and what do they mean for the DOGELON defaces crypto cost expectation? The DOGELON token cost took off from its 23rd of August 2021 send-off cost of $0 top at $0 the 11th of May, an increase of 4,540% as digital money markets mobilize. The value tumbled to $0 following day and exchanged underneath $0 June until October. with image and metaverse tokens revitalizing in October into November. The diagram shows ELON took off to $0 the 30th of October, dropped to $0 the 3rd of November, and spiked to $0 the 7th of November. The cost stayed unpredictable heading into 2022, dropping in late November, energizing again toward the beginning of December, and afterward falling on the 22nd of January to its least level since late October. ELON USD couldn't clutch the additions toward the beginning of February and exchanged down to $0.15 walk. The value moved to $0.28 walk, dropped to $0 the 18th of April, and spiked to $0 the 20th of April as its namesake. Tesla pioneer Elon Musk pulled in titles for proposing to purchase virtual entertainment stage Twitter. On the 22nd of April, Simplex added help for clients to purchase ELON with government-issued money. On the 27th of April, ELON was among 9 crypto tokens upheld following the send-off of Binance Scaffold 2.0, which empowers clients to store the tokens on existing organizations and pull out the relating BEP20 token. The cost then plunged in May, coming to $0 the 12th of May as digital money markets responded to the breakdown of the Luna environment. Negative opinion kept on pulling costs lower, and ELON exchanged down to $0 the 19th of June. A concise spike to $0 the 25th of June neglected to hold, and the token has moved down from the $0 in August to the $0 in September. A short meeting was seen toward the beginning of November, following a joint effort with FuryFan, presenting blockchain gaming for ELON holders. The token met half-year highs of $0, yet costs have since withdrawn. What is a practical projection for the DOGELON deface's cost? Can the symbolic stage a breakout, or will the cost retreat? We take a gander at assumptions for the crypto from Guajing destinations. DOGELON deface's cost expectation. What course will the cost pattern take? At the hour of composing, specialized investigation from showed that the viewpoint for the ELON cost was negative, with 18 pointers showing negative signs and 7 bullish. Present moment DOGELON damages value expectation was additionally negative, demonstrating that the token could diminish more than 13% in 1 month's time and exchange at 0.0000002806. Calculation-based gauge administration wallet financial backers DOGELON deface's cost expectation for 2023 was additionally negative, projecting the coin could plunge to $0 the years over. The ELON token cost expectation proposed the token could be worth even less in 2025, exchanging at $0 the year's end. ELON coin cost expectation saw the cost moving higher, averaging at $0 2023 in light of authentic information. The Crypto Information Administration's DOGELON damages cost expectation for 2025 demonstrated the cost could ascend to $0 and afterward arrive at a normal of $0 2030. ELON crypto cost forecast had the coin ascending at a quicker pace later on in the 10 years, averaging at $0 2023. The DOGELON damages cost expectation for 2030 from the site's profound computerized reasoning helped specialized examination showed the value ascending to $0 from $0 2025. While searching for a DOGELON damages cost expectation, it's vital to remember that cryptographic money markets remain very unpredictable. They